Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we will start from language work. Who said the following and to whom? Part A. Why don't you go to the nearby town and seek some job? Ramana's wife said these words to Raman. Part B. I live in Varanasi and I am a goldsmith by profession. The goldsmith said these words to Raman. Part C. Once I saved a prince's life. In return, he gave me this necklace. The tiger said these words to Raman. Part D. You have killed our prince and stolen his necklace. A god said these words to Raman. Part E. How did you land up in the prison? The king said these words to Raman. Part F. Go home and live happily. The king said these words to Raman. Hope see you in next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.